Hi there, Laura Sanderson with the Client Solutions team at Sponsor Pulse, and welcome to your starter trial experience. Now, as part of your experience, you have probably discovered that there is some limitations. Specifically, what I want to speak to today is different category purchasers, because it is an important feature to have and filter when uncovering new potential opportunities for a property. So specifically, let's take a look at our analyzed property report. You can then filter by any one of the thousands of different properties that we have available on the platform. For today, we're going to take a look at the WNBA. You can then select one of the 18 countries that we have available. You can also do so if you want to look at regionally or statewide or provincially if you're within Canada. For the purpose of today, we're going to take a look at the US and then part of the consumer segments. So specifically the category purchaser filters. Now, this is an important tool because it's going to help you understand or uncover new prospecting opportunities in different categories. Or if you are going into a meeting, let's say with a specific category type, and you want to understand the opportunity, it'll allow you to deep dive into that further. So if we want to look at it generically, first and foremost, what we're going to see here is this yellow row. Now, this yellow row is the general population. So this is what you compare against to understand whether or not something is an over-index or an under-index. So looking at the 7 different metrics that we use to understand a property's health, let's say we want to look at engagement. So when we scroll down here, we can see that 70% of those who intend to purchase NFTs have engaged with the WNBA in the past year. Now, again, as a reminder, this is in the US and within the age group that we survey, which is 13 to 64 years old. When you're comparing that to the general population, that's at 36%. That's a huge area of opportunity amongst those who are fans of the league. Now, let's say you want to look at passionate. Now, if we're looking at those who are passionate fans of the WNBA, 18% of those who intend to purchase non-alcoholic beer would be a target opportunity for you, especially when you look at those compared to the general population. Now, if you had a specific opportunity you want to cover amongst your category purchasers, you can actually then select it and drop down even further. As an example, if we wanted to look at those who intend to purchase or lease a vehicle, simply click, hit apply filters, and this will give you a clean snapshot from a consumer lens amongst those who intend to purchase or lease a vehicle who are fans of the WNBA, and you compare it against any one of the 7 metrics that are important to you. I hope that you found this information useful. We would absolutely encourage an upgrade into the platform subscription to get the full experience, but any questions or anything we can help uncover for you, please let us know. We're here to help. Thank you again, and have fun with the Sponsor Pulse platform.